Hi folks, this is my 2013 Volkswagen Touareg V6 diesel. I'm going to show you how to replace the power steering oil cooler. First you'll need to see my video on how to remove the front bumper, which I'll leave a link in the video. As you can see, the cooler is held on by two plastic clips, and the two pipes go through into the engine bay to the hoses, and for easiest access it's underneath the car. Here you can see the two hoses and the two hose clips. The pipes are held there by a bracket which you can access through an access point in the front of the car as shown here, and it's held on by a Torx screw. I think it's T25 or T30. Please bear in mind that once you remove the hoses, you'll need to collect the oil that spills out, and it will empty the header tank, which will need to be filled later. The easiest way to get the cooler out is to flip it 180 degrees and pull it out like so. When installing the new cooler, just do it the opposite way to how you took the old one out. The pipes will bend a little, just take care not to bend them too much. When the new cooler is installed, remember to reinstall the bracket that holds the pipes in place. Once the installation is finished, you should top up the header tank with oil, switch on your engine and move your steering left and right a few times. You may need to top up the oil in the header tank again, so just keep an eye on it. Continue to exercise the steering back and forth until the header tank stays at a steady level. It's also good practice to check the system for any leaks before you reinstall the bumper. Here you can quite clearly see the corrosion on the pipe of the cooler. This is where it was leaking from. This is just another view of the inside of the pipe. You can see the corrosion has come all the way through to the inside. I hope this video was of use to you, and if it was, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, take care.